Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for today, we're going to be making pumpkin pizza dough. Not just pumpkin sprinkled on top of the pizza, but pumpkin actually inside of the dough. In this video, we'll be making pumpkin pizza dough, and then in part 2, we'll be using it for a BBQ Seitan pizza. It's really cheap, relatively cheap. Hopefully it'll be fun. So let's get started. So here I have some leftover pumpkin, so we're just going to go ahead and peel it. The size doesn't really matter because we're going to be mashing it up anyway, but it'll just cook in the oven faster if I make it smaller. It's about a mug full of pumpkin. Next we take a baking sheet, line it with some parchment paper, add about a tablespoon of coconut oil and just massage it in. A few cranks of salt. And into the oven it'll go at 220 degrees for 15 minutes. So while the pumpkin is roasting, we'll go ahead and activate our yeast. We'll use about half the pack. To this, about a quarter mug of water. We'll let that activate for about 10 minutes. So while that's activating, we'll take our pumpkin out of the oven and we'll just mash it up with a fork. You can use a masher if you want, but a fork is just as fine. Okay, now we can get started with the kneading process. We have pumpkin ready to go, we have our flour ready to go, we have a nice clean surface. So now we can get started mixing it all together. So come, let's do it. So we'll be adding a mug full of bread flour, about half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of dried oregano, teaspoon of dried thyme. We'll mix that around a little bit. We'll add in our pumpkin and then the yeast mixture we made earlier. Haha. Okay, we'll just contain that. That's alright. If it spills, it's cool. We'll just bring it back. No worries. It seems a little bit wet right now, which is totally fine. We're gonna go ahead and add. We're gonna add another quarter cup of flour to it. And now we can start the kneading process. And there it is. Okay, so we're just going to take our bowl, put some olive oil around it so it doesn't stick, pop it in. We'll just set it aside and let it rise till it's about double in size, which could take half an hour, an hour and a half, we'll see. So after about 2 hours or so, this is our dough. Hi guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yeah, so the dough doubled in size and now you can do whatever you want with it. You can bake it as a bread, you can use it as pizza dough. I am going to use it as pizza dough, so if you watch the next video, then you can check out how I used it to make BBQ Seitan pizza. But you don't have to, you can use it for any bread application you want. You can twist it up and make bread twirls with it, whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time. Namaste.